Okay, we are now home. It's already 2:25 and I'm going to prepare my meal. Actually, this is going to be the one. Here is the cook ching ho. A xiu pao. Oh, it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. If you are here in Australia, you should check this in Walmart. And they always have a discount. Regular price is $5, but during sale is just $2.50. Yeah, I hear the rice. I think it's cooked already. Yeah, it is. Yeah, Rafael just called and he's going to pick me up. He said we are going to eat somewhere with Erickson, and there is one new Filipino. I don't know. Yeah, it's already 5:03. I thought the time is 3 o'clock, but it's wrong. Yeah, it's broken already. I just changed the battery. I think it's broken. Yeah, inside here there is the soft drinks. There is the Heineken and a cup. Rafael is picking up the pizza. He ordered in Domino's. He said we're going to eat in the beach watching the sunrise, sunset.
Hello! Hello, 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 hello.
Occupied lahat ng upuan.
Ayun o, ayun o. Janitor po ako dati. Hanggang ngayon, janitor po ako. Madumi yan, ano?
Kunyari lang.
Kasi naman eh, ano naman yan? Salamat po, Lakers. Nanalo po si Sir Rap sa pustahan, Lakers. Salamat po. Thank you, Lebron. Lebron. Thank you, Lebron.
Salamat, Lakers.
Tagal mo siyang blur.
Malinaw naman.
E di magbabackfire yun. Hi boss Bisdak, kamusta? Dalaw po kayo rito.
I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live it, I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity, because the greatest love of all is happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. Good afternoon. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we just stopped here because I am curious how it is, but yeah, it is like this now. Before you can't see the sun. Before you need to jump to get down there, but now it's almost even. Yeah, today I finished at 2 o'clock and we are going home now. Okay, we are here again. I think the bird is not going to attack me anymore. Yeah, it's been like 4 days that this bird is not attacking me anymore. So yeah, I think that bird realized that, yeah, he realized that it's not good to hurt people. Yeah, nothing, no more. And you see on the side, you will become the meaning of my life. Yeah, today is quiet. Less people are in the beach swimming. There are few people, but not too much like a weekend. Oh, look at this. There are 3 lorikeet in here. Nice. Actually, there are more. They are everywhere, scattered all around the place. Oh, that guy is traveling with his car. There is a bed inside his car. Nice. Yeah, I always notice that one, that there is like a shallow part in the middle of the sea. Yeah, there's very shallow. You can see the sand. If I am I think it's good to have like a cottage in there. Or make an artificial islands. That is going to be one of the good looking attraction in here. Yeah, maybe in the future they will do that. There is not even a a bridge that connect to the other side of this. Maybe in the future. One moment, I am just going to show you this kind of flower. It's beautiful. Yeah, nice. Yeah, there are many different kinds of flower in one spot. And there are some different color like this. Yeah, nice. Okay. Oh, okay, we go. So this is basically the plants, and it's becoming like this. And this, when they grow, when it's fully blown, will be beautiful in this area. Oh, that clock is wrong. The correct time is 2:50. Yeah. Yeah, because this one is already broken. This part already expand. So the finger, what's that? Yeah, this is touching there and it's not having difficulties to move. You can see those lines. Yeah, that's why. Battery is good. Yeah, the problem is the paper. I'm hungry. Yeah, you know, the rice, I'll just keep it outside. I don't put it in the fridge. Still good. I'm used to do like that. When I was young, we don't have refrigerator. Yeah, and the rice, it lasts for the day until the day after. That's why I'm confident that it's good. Okay, so this is my meal today. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, but I'm going to put that first in there because I'm doing my laundry and it's finished already. Yeah, these are all the apron and trouser. I'm sure it is going to dry today because yeah, the sunset is until almost 7 o'clock. Yeah, and the time now is 4:03. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Oh, look at that. There are two guys in there. They are playing that kind of kite surfing, but instead they are just holding the kite. Yeah, if you can see that. So basically they have something like a paddle board, and then they are holding the something like a board, a kite. Nice. It's like a sail. They are holding the sail, and by that sail they control the movement, their movement. Nice. Actually, we observed them a little more. Yeah, nice. It's something like a kite. And then on this side, yeah, many people are doing that kind of kite surfing. Nice. On the walls, there is something left in my head. And we are now here again where the bird is attacking me. I hope he's not going to attack me anymore, because it's been like 4 days that this bird didn't attack me. Yeah, not anymore. Nice. You become the meaning of